Come on, DeFi. What are you guys doing? Let's keep it going here. We need the high gas fees here, the transaction fees, the high block rewards for us crypto miners. Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. As you guys can tell by my little intro there and the title, you guessed it. I want, and probably a lot of you guys want, to have DeFi to begin, kind of going back up again. We need them to ramp it up so that us crypto miners, or GPU miners specifically, mining Ethereum, can benefit from the high block rewards that we have been seeing, I guess, for the past couple months. And that is due to the whole DeFi, decentralized finance movement that we have been seeing now, I would say, since the beginning or the end of July of 2020. You guys may have noticed recently we have been kind of in a lull right now, and profits, comparing to what they were maybe a month or maybe 2 months ago, they're not as high as they were before. And that is because the block rewards, as you guys can see, I'm on etherscan.io, is, we're not seeing the typical like 10 to 20 to 15 Ethereum per block. Actually, there's a 9 Ethereum per block right now that I just saw right here as I'm making this video. But generally, they've been hovering below 3 Ethereum, I would say, for the past week or so. And before that, it was maybe 3.5 Ethereum per block averaging. But yeah, you guys have probably been looking at, your what to mine. You've been looking at your profitability. So you're pretty much correlating that to the low gas fees right now, the gas cost and the transaction fees. They're just low right now because DeFi it seems like they're kind of in a lull right now, and it looks like they have been going down. Yeah, it looks like for the past week or so, DeFi was, I think, at a max point of like 11.2 billion, but now as of recording this video, it's 10.1 billion. So it's been kind of going down. I would say people are maybe taking profits. Whales are getting some money out or something. Who knows? I'm not sure. But I want to just correlate this, talk about, what's been happening now, and I guess for the past couple months now. So, Ethereum Hashrate right now, as I'm making this video, they apparently hit an all-time high as of today, around 250 terahash. Cointelegraph here, they're claiming that mining, it's been 3 times more profitable mining on, Ethereum than Bitcoin, okay? And I'm just going to read a little part here, okay? So basically, the surge in DeFi coupled with stablecoin growth drove transaction fees on the Ethereum blockchain to an all-time high in Q3. Data from Glassnode shows that Ethereum miners made $166 million from transaction fees alone in September, which makes sense. In contrast, the Bitcoin miners earned about $26 million from fees over the same period. So wow, take a look at that. Ethereum mining for us GPU miners in September alone was, I don't know, 7 times more profitable than mining Bitcoin due to the fees. Okay, so that is amazing. That is incredible, right? But no, wait, hold on a sec. It's not like that anymore because look at the block rewards as of making this video. You guys have probably seen for the past couple of weeks now. It has leveled off, between 3 to 2, 4 Ethereum. There have been some times where we've seen like 8 or 10, but it doesn't last long, okay? Unless there is some kind of like hyped up DeFi project, if you guys can remember like SushiSwap, that one time, I would say, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago. It seems like it was just yesterday. But SushiSwap, where that whole thing was happening, and the drama on SushiSwap, all that stuff, that was just caused the whole, the whole market to go up and caused the transaction fees to go up on that day. And it was just insane. And the same thing with Uniswap and Yearn and a couple of other projects here that have caused the transaction fees to go up. Just insane, right? But there is something in the works right now that could stifle this whole thing, the GPU miners that have been gaining, the rewards that we've been seeing the past couple months. There is an EIP called 1559 that they are literally going to be talking about today. And quick summary of it, I'm just going to read here, is a transaction pricing mechanism that includes fixed per block network fee that is burned and dynamically expands contract block sizes to deal with transient congestion. So that basically means the block rewards, we're not going to see high transaction fees, and thus that means GPU miners such as ourselves are not going to get rewarded for that. So they're basically wanting to burn the transaction fees, and thus us miners will not profit from it, and that will basically knock the profitability off the face of the earth for crypto miners. Okay, so they're literally, as of making this video, going to be talking about it today. Okay, the state of the ECIP 1559. This is on hackmd.io, and basically they say here, I'm just gonna read this last part. The next implementer's call is scheduled for October 8th, which you guys will see this video today, where a mainnet readiness checklist will be discussed. So they're going to be talking talking about I guess the progress of EIP 1559 and, what's going to happen, the client implementation, simulations, a game theoretical analysis, and community outreach are all in progress. Okay, so they're all going to talk about this, and oh man, that would be crazy if they implemented this. Thus, us miners are not going to be seeing these kind of rewards ever again. You guys may have saw a month ago, we're not going to see those 15, 20 Ethereum for us crypto miners again. So that would really suck, obviously, for us GP miners. And I understand why they want to implement this. It's because hopefully they want to get rid of the sell-off pressure that potentially that crypto miners do in order to, they're going to sell their Ethereum because they need to pay for their electrical bill. And knowing, what they mentioned here on Cointelegraph, if we made about $166 million just from the transaction fees alone, this is not even including from the Ethereum that were made during that time. Okay, so in retrospect, 166 million, if we looked at the market cap on Ethereum right now, which is $38 billion, it doesn't seem that much. Okay, like 166 million, I don't think, in my opinion, that kind of sell-off pressure in the whole month of September made off transaction fees is not going to put much of a big dent on the market cap of Ethereum. I don't know. You guys can let me know down below if you think it would or not, but that's another thing. Not every single crypto miner is going to be selling their profits, right? There's going to be some people that are able to hodl, that maybe have enough capital to pay off the electrical bill without selling the crypto. Okay. And of course, there's a lot of other crypto miners out there that are not only doing that, they're also like trading, participating in DeFi and all that kind of stuff. I don't think sell-off pressure from crypto miners is a really big deal, but I think that's one of the big things where the motivation on this EIP that Vitalik Buterin and all the other possible devs that are working on this right now are thinking that it affects the Ethereum ecosystem. But, I'm not sure. I'm not an economist or anything like that, but let me know what you guys think about this EIP 1559. And obviously for me, I'm going to have a bias because I'm a huge GPU miner. I'm mining Ethereum right now. And I know most of you guys who watch me are Ethereum miners as well. And of course, we want to profit off this, But who am I to tell? Who am I to say if, we make a difference or not in the Ethereum ecosystem? Of course, we are providing a service in terms of running the blockchain. Ethereum currently is proof of work, but as you guys know, Ethereum is working on proof of stake. Okay, so for how long proof of work will be, enabled, and as you guys know, in phase 2, Ethereum 2.0, which they say here will likely be launched in 2021 or 2022, is when proof of work can finally be turned off in Ethereum 2.0 when it's fully implemented. But they are thinking of implementing some kind of like hybrid kind of chain where there will be proof of work and proof of stake during this phase 2 part. Okay, phase 0 part here. So yeah, so this is all this stuff comes together, and hopefully I hope all of you guys will basically break even or at least get your return on investment and all your crypto mining hardware that you guys have been getting into right now. I know for those that have been mining since 2017, such as myself, I have already broken even on my mining rigs. And now I'm just thinking of the future, proof of stake and all this kind of stuff are coming out possibly in the next 2 to 3 years, maybe 4 years. Who knows? We don't really know when this will be exactly implemented, but whether or not I'm going to be, upgrading or buying more or new hardware, I'm not sure, guys. With all this kind of stuff in the air, I'll keep you guys updated about EIP 1559. And if this is implemented, then that's pretty much going to ruin the profitability and decentralized finance, the high gas fees. It just won't matter anymore. So anyways, I'll have another video regarding, talking about the future. And I think I've made plenty of those videos already. I do have videos about that. But I guess this is a topic that everyone's worried about and very interested in. So if you guys want me to do that, let me know down below. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts about all this, what I just talked about in this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a good one and peace out.